So this is something I thought about doing ever since I got this little cab tractor. I don't do a whole lot of seed or fertilizer spreading, so I can't really justify buying a big 3-point PTO spreader. But I had this old rebranded Agri Fab model 45-02115 spreader, and there wasn't going to be any way to turn it on and off from the cab, so I rigged up this linear actuator, and I took the handle and rod off. I reused the rod, turned it around backwards, and I made this block that slides on the rod, and drilled out some grounding lugs so I could clamp down stops. This one, with the actuator all the way extended, will have the gate closed. I had to unhook the spring because it was spring loaded open. And then when the actuator comes back, I will adjust this to determine how far the gate opens. The full cycle time on the actuator is a little over 7 seconds, so it's not an immediate on-off type thing. There's enough give in the window gasket that I could just run the wire through there. And I made the little switch block to clamp onto the bar on the other door. I rarely ever open that door, but there's enough give in the wires. If I did, nothing's going to break. So it's labeled up and down. I may relabel it open and closed, but if you see here, when I push it up, it opens the gate. When it hits that stop, it'll open the gate however far I have it adjusted to. And then when I want to close it, I just wait until it goes all the way back in, and it will close the gate. So now I can pull my little pull behind spreader with my cab tractor. It's rated for 125 pounds, so it holds a 50-pound bag with no problem.